Hello and welcome to the daily crypto market review, starting with, of course, Bitcoin. If you are following me on Twitter, I have posted this on 26th of July. The second date-wise predictions. If you are following me on Twitter, you must be in good profits since the time you are following me. If you see, I have tweeted this on 26th of July that the market would be pumping on 28th of July. That's 2 days earlier I predicted, although I'm just a very bad technical analyst. I don't post about it. I'm just saying, if you are following the basics, the very basics in the technical analysis and keeping a firm eye on the global macroeconomics, you can easily predict this considering some of the astronomical factors which I have learned in the past months. So I'm sharing this few free education with you guys. What I just request from you guys is that you need to please share this stuff with others so that maximum of the people can actually benefit from the market and even print dollars in the bear market or even make money in the bear market scenario. So, if you are in the trades, I would advise you to put stop losses even in the spot trades, as well as if you are doing the leverage trade, then you can manage your risk confidently on your own. Moving on towards the technical analysis part for the Bitcoin. Right now, BTC is trading just within the respected channel which I have drawn, and it is being respected by Bitcoin for quite a while. You don't need to perform any complex analysis. If you are following me on Twitter, you might be knowing that I have DCA'd Bitcoin at this level. First, I picked Bitcoin at 21,700 level, and then I picked Bitcoin at 20,900 level. If you are following me on YouTube from a while, then you must be knowing that my targets for BTC are 24,000, and then I expect BTC to hit $25,000 level as well if we break above this channel with a decent amount of volume. Right now, the market is also rallying as the FOMIC was not really. The Fed chairman was not really hawkish, and he said that the next meeting would be in September. That we won't be having any FOMC meeting in August. So that is quite a relief for the market right now, that we'll have no increase in rates on in the month of August. Moving on towards the technical analysis part, right now I said that if Bitcoin breaks above this channel, right now we'll be expecting the targets to be 25,000 and the first target would be 24,000. That means if the target of 24,000 is reached, you definitely have to put your stop loss at this channel level, which is about 23,800, but I would still put my stop loss at 23,500 level, so that if the wick comes, it doesn't hit immediately and the continuation towards upside will secure most of the profits. However, if you are dollar cost averaging or entering the trades with me, you must be in profits already. Let's see calculated percentage of the profit. If I bought one BTC at this level and one BTC at this level, that means the average price would be in between. So let's calculate the average profit which we have got. That is approximately 13.5% of the profit just using Bitcoin. So this is how you can make money in the bear market as well, if you are fundamentally following the macroeconomic situation as well as the global uh, stocks as well as equities market. Moving on towards the altcoins, your favorite part, and of course some trades. I recently tweeted that I have picked up Vulcan Force Pyre, Render, and Solana. So I'll be doing technical analysis, and if you have picked these coins with me, then I'll be posting or even discussing the target points for these three. Starting with Vulcan Forge Pyre. If you have picked Vulcan Forge Pyre with me, I have picked Vulcan Forge Pyre. If you followed me, it was at $4.22. So right now it is trading at $4.61. Let's calculate how much money we made if you picked up with me from $4.22. It was approximately here. At the top it reached here. So this is also giving a 13% on the Vulcan Force Pyre if you have picked up with me. Right now for Vulcan Force token, my target would be, if you are in BUSD pair, the target would be at for the safe side, $4.98. Let me write the target point for Vulcan Forged is Okay. However, for if you want further more profits and you are willing to take the risk, if the market goes upside, then you can put your stop loss at. If the market goes upside, you can put your stop loss somewhere at $4.8 when it is at $5. Then you can put further more profits as over the market goes up and move your stop loss. So the TP, the first take profit point for Vulcan Forge would be at $4.98. However, I would also recommend a stop loss right now if you have entered with me at $4.22 and the price is right now at $4.63. So the stop loss should be around $4.3, so that your trade, even if the trade stops out, then it is in profit already. So these are the targets and stops for Vulcan Forge. Moving on towards the second coin which I recommended you to buy, although I share my trades, I'm not a financial advisor. The second coin was Render. Render was picked at $0.58. If we move on towards the chart of Render using Fibonacci retracement levels, Render is at $0.607 and it is above the entry point. Our entry was somewhere here. If we see the percentage gain made on Render, it is approximately 9.31% in just one day. I posted this in just few hours. I posted it on 12 and right now it's 9. So in just few hours we made some money, although it can be considered some good amount of money in the bear market. So the first TP for Render token would be for me is, as it's lacking certain volume, so I would keep it safe side. It would be $6.4, and if it goes above, then I can recommend a TP2 as well as at $6.55. However, stop loss for right now, since we picked up at $5.8, right? So the stop loss would be around here, since we are right now above $5.85. That would also secure our profits as well. So these are the take profit points as well as the stop losses. Note that the stop loss for Render is also in profits and the stop loss for Vulcan Forged is also in profit already. Moving on towards the third coin which we picked, Solana has gained quite decently. We picked up at 39.55 and right now it's at 42, which is a very good percentage gain for a big altcoin like Solana. If you see the percentage gain from the point we picked it is around 8%. And 8%, why it is different from the smaller altcoin? Because it is a big altcoin. Even if you have to hold it for a longer time, if the market suddenly crashes, then it is safe to say that Solana will definitely pick up in the future. So the first, if you are scalping with Solana, on my call, my first trading point or take profit point would be around 43 point, let's say $55. And okay, I would like to change it since Solana is having quite little bit resistance here. Okay, so I'll be taking profit here on Solana, right exactly here. And the second TP, if you can manage your trades or actively check them, the stop TP2 should be at 43.45. Let's say $43.5, and the stop loss, since we are in good profits, we would be securing the profits using stop loss. So I'm seeing a resistance here, sorry, a support here. So to avoid VIX, I'm making it a little bit lower than the price. This is my stop loss. Note that the stop loss for Solana is also within profit range, since we picked it up at 39.55 and the stop loss is at 40.39. Moving on towards Ethereum. If you have, yes, this is a bonus trade. If you have followed yesterday's market updates, you might be knowing that I have discussed about Ethereum, that Ethereum's strongest resistance is about $1,700 to $1,900 range. And this is how exactly beautifully Ethereum has been rejected from this target. But right now I am focusing on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks outside this channel, then we can see a breakout in altcoins as well. If you see that most of the altcoins are right now at the resistance. This is the resistance for Matic. For bigger altcoins, this is also resistance for Vulcan Forge, and of course Solana is also at its resistance. If BTC breaks out of this resistance with a good volume, then we can obviously see Ethereum, Solana, Pyre, Render all reach our targets, although Solana has reached our first target. So we can expect all of them to break out of their targets. If the update was helpful for you, please hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.